Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless bandsaw 20V from Parkside, the model PMBA 20LIB2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Cutting speed 1.5 to 2.7 meter per second. Cutting depth 63.5 mm. Bandsaw blade 733 by 12.7 by 0.4 mm for metal and plastic. Accessories included. Recommended battery 20V 4Ah. Compatible with all batteries in the X20V team series. Designed in Germany with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a nice robust case. Included we have the manual, and here it is the tool. Here you can have the battery, have the tool. You can use second battery, store it here, and here you can have and your charger. Everything tight and well at the case. Here it is the motor. The handle goes here at this position. Hold it just like that. Just like that. However you want, it depends where you have the metal you want to cut. We have the on-off switch here. The safety trigger left and right. You need to press and press then the trigger, otherwise it will not work. The speed control from 1 to 6. Here it is the LED working light. The saw blade pre-installed. We have the guide wheels for the saw blade. Allen key. Maybe you want to remove the saw blade, replace it. Here we have the clamp for the saw blade. Unlock, lock. To replace the saw blade you need to remove 1-2 screws here. You don't have to remove the screw all the way. And there is the saw blade. First position, then release all the way, and that it will move further in, and you can replace the saw blade. Okay. It is very tight. And then again, install. You need to insert the saw blade between these two wheels, 3 wheels. We have a soft element around this wheel. Okay, I think I have managed to install again. And then with a lever, tight it very well and install again the cover. Metal cover, I like that, it will protect you. Perfect. And you can use one of the batteries. I'm using the 8 Ah battery. You can use the 4 Ah battery performance if you want, or you can use the regular batteries, it is your choice. And starting with the first speed. Second, 3, 4, 5, and it stops instantly. Nice, I like it. So let's move on outdoors, try to cut some metals and see how it's performing. Here we have the workpiece stop. It will help you and guide you better when you are cutting a metal. And the 3 guide roller saw blades. 3 here and another 3 here. Nice, I like it. Robust housing. You can easily cut metal, wood, plastic, aluminium and more. It is portable and works with all Parkside batteries. Use it anywhere at any time you want. It's performing very well, cutting the material straight and fast. No sparkles like the angle grinder, only the power of the cutting blade, with a cost of 70 euros. If you don't have a battery or charger, then you need to give more. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.